Still spending hours analyzing data manually in Excel? Stop right there. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build a pivot table in 10 seconds, turn it into a mini dashboard with slicers, group your data, and unlock a pivot refresh trick most beginners don't even know exists. Let's jump straight into the magic. Here's a simple sales dataset we'll use today. Now let's turn this into insights in seconds. Click anywhere inside your dataset. Then go to the Insert tab. Click the Pivot Table. This instantly opens the Create Pivot Table window. Keep New Worksheet selected, and hit OK. Boom, you've just created a pivot table in under 10 seconds. Let's build something meaningful. Drag region into the rows area. Now we see East, West, North, South as categories. Drag product into columns. Now your pivot table shows product names as column headers. Finally, drag sales amount into values. Excel automatically calculates totals for every region, product combination. Slicers turn your pivot table into a mini dashboard. Click anywhere inside the pivot. Go to Insert tab, then Slicer. Choose Region, and click OK. A colorful button panel appears. Now click West, and watch everything update instantly. This is great for presentations, reports, or quick filtering. Grouping is awesome for creating summarized views. Right-click any date, group, and choose months. Now your pivot shows January, February, March, automatically grouped. You can also choose years, quarters, and so on. Want quantity groups? Right-click Quantity inside the pivot, then Group. Choose Start, End, and by 10. Instant number buckets, perfect for analysis. Ever updated your source data and the pivot didn't change? Here's the trick. Click anywhere inside the pivot, and press Alt plus F5. This refreshes instantly, no menus, no mouse. Even better, press Ctrl plus Alt plus F5 to refresh all pivots in the workbook at once. Here's a game changer. If you convert your dataset into an Excel table using Ctrl plus T, your pivot table automatically expands when new rows are added. No manual range updates, and no missing rows. Your pivot becomes dynamic and future-proof. If this pivot table tutorial saved you time, even a little, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more time-saving Excel tips every week.